Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to explain how to fix a stiff bicycle pedal. My daughter has this bike for about 1 year, and the pedal has been so hard to turn, It's like I thought it was gonna be loose after a while, but I see the pedal still was very hard to turn, and she had some discomfort with it. She complained about it. I didn't know what to do about this, and finally came out with the solution. First of all, I took the pedal apart. In this case is a right pedal, so the threads are fine. It's a normal thread, so you just crack it loose like that, the normal direction, counterclockwise, and you start unscrewing it just like this. Then you can continue turning it by hand like that, and all you need to do just take the pedal out and bring the torch, or even a regular gas stove will work fine. All you need to do is just light this up and start warming it like this, slowly, not burning it completely, and keep checking on it. You grab the wrench. It can be any wrench, adjustable, or 13 millimeter in this case. I use adjustable. The wrench right here, so just keep turning it till you feel it's gonna get loose eventually. Like this, and start getting loose, and it's gonna be fun. That's all for now. Get the valve off, just in case. You have to follow all the safety precautions, and probably do it outside, like the way I'm doing inside the garage. So we gotta be careful with the local plane. So this is it pretty much. Put it back. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And good luck. Bye. Take care.